This innovative device combines electric grinding, brewing, and a thermal coffee mug, making it perfect for crafting Americanos, pour-overs, and lattes with just one simple step. Equipped with a built-in grinding component, it offers 7 adjustable grind settings to suit your taste. Simply fill the bean chamber with up to 25 grams of coffee beans, press a button, and the machine will grind the beans directly into the built-in filter, eliminating the need for paper filters. Add hot water to brew your coffee, and once done, secure the cup with the attached lid for easy portability. Cleaning is a breeze. Just rinse with water after use.